Don't try it where you're about to see us do at home.
Ever.
On this episode of Mythbusters.
I am ready to crush some backs today.
My back! Let's just hope that I don't lose my life.
Don't we have an ambulance thing by?
That train?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Okay, good. Oh, we're recording, by the way.
Who are the Mythbusters? Adam Savage
Goodbye, my little friend.
and Jamie Hyneman.
Is that beautiful or what?
Between them, more than 30 years of special effects experience.
Cue dramatic music.
Joining them, Carrie Byron,
Criminals beware the mark of the Mythbusters.
Grant Imahara,
Let's eat.
and Tori Belleci.
Call me the Cougar.
They don't just tell the myths,
Mr. Hyneman, you are go for launch.
they put them to the test.
This week we've got a classic myth. You know the saying, you step on a crack, you break your brother's back? If you really step on a crack, do you really break your brother's back?
Yeah, I remember this one from when I was a kid. It's been around a long time. So, how are we going to test this myth?
Usually the myth goes with sidewalks. You walk down a concrete sidewalk and you have those cracks between the concrete blocks and you jump over them. But then you also have the cracks in the concrete themselves and you avoid stepping on those.
Right. Does the myth apply to both kinds of cracks or just one of them? And what about the street? Streets are paved with asphalt. Does asphalt count? There are cracks in asphalt. Should we be jumping over them or can we step on them?
So we're going to have to test the myth on both surfaces. I suggest that you and me take the sidewalk and the Bill team takes the street.
Good.
So we're going to test the myth that if you step on a crack, you'll break your mother's back.
Yeah, we're gonna do it in the street.
Right, so we need a street paved with asphalt that has cracks in it.
Like this one. That was easy.
And we need our moms. We've already taken care of that. We'll step on the cracks and then we'll check on our moms to see if their backs have been broke.
Don't we have an ambulance thing by?
Here we are ready to go. We're gonna go down the street jumping on the cracks we can.
Wonder where Jamie is.
All right, I am ready to crush some backs today. Yeah.
I'm feeling good and I'm ready to step out the cracks. Let's just hope that I don't lose my lunch.
So this looks like a pretty good sidewalk that we could work with.
I'll say.
It's got some nice cracks in it. It's got some really well-defined blocks, and I think we're going to be able to use this one pretty well.
I do too. I'm really gonna break people's back.
the street can break your mother's back.
We must have
on some cracks, and how you feel. So, how you feel?
Just anywhere or
Mostly on your back.
my back? My back feels fine.
My back feels fine, thank you.
I feel great. No pain here.
That's good.
All right. Thanks for asking.
So, the real team and us have been stepping on those cracks. Bumps are perfectly fine. Where's this lead us?
Exactly. The build team was stepping on all the asphalt cracks, and you and I definitely jumped all over those cracks. I'm gonna say busted.
Alright, busted is.